Hey everybody, this is Jim Boyer at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership, Palmer, Ohio. Got another truck we're getting ready to put on the lot. This is a 2011 Toyota Tundra. It's the SR5 trim package. Very nice truck. Wait till you see this thing inside. It's got tinted windows on it, and boy, you're talking about some beautiful wheels and tires on this thing. This thing's immaculate. It's got the 5.7 liter V8 engine in it. Do a quick walk around on the outside, then we'll take a look on the inside. You can see it does have the tinted windows. And on the back, you're going to notice there is a backup camera back here. And the camera is right there. And it does have the receiver hitch lights. And it does have the tonneau cover. So let's go ahead and take a look. I'll show you the bed liner. Okay, there you go. Got the trunk down. Got the back latch down on this. Show you the bed liner in this. So continue to go over here on the driver's side. Tread's excellent condition on this truck. And here's your emblem for your 5.7 V8. Now on your mirrors, it does have heated mirrors. Hope you can see the emblem right there, turn signals. So let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. So show you the inside of this truck. You do have black cloth, and I tell you what, this truck has been well taken care of. Personal friend of mine owned this truck, so I know the person and I know the truck. It's a nice vehicle. Okay, so here we are inside. I got the truck started. It's running. Show you the front. Let's go in here and see the instrument cluster. And the mileage as of right now is 111,923 miles. And you do have the Bluetooth connectivity here. Controls on your steering wheel, answer, receive calls, to speak. Your volume controls for your audio up and down. And when we go over here, you can see with this being a four-wheel drive, you do have your selector right here on the front panel. And go over here to the stereo system. Now this is an aftermarket stereo that's been put in. Go up here, I hope that you can see display with the range of how far you can go on the amount of gas that you have, along with the time. Your climate control section here, you do have USB and auxiliary port right there. 3 cup holders. Your armrest does open up. Plenty of more storage here. Remote control with the Pioneer stereo system. And here is the back seat. Now I wanted to show you up overhead. You've got a couple compartments here to put sunglasses or any miscellaneous items that you do have. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that concludes our tour of our most recent edition 2011 Toyota Tundra 4x4 5.7 liter V8 engine. It's got the fog lights in the front, and if you have any questions, feel free to give us a phone call. If you'd like to come up and test drive this baby, just feel free to do that. We've got a lot of financing options available. So with that, I hope that you have a great day. Bye for now.